my channel. And for today's video, we are here again, another escapade. So we are having our staycation, an overnight stay today here in Seda, Manila Bay. So it's our first time, although we have been to, wow, English, taka lang. Before, nakarapunta na tayo sa Seda, Nuvali. So this time, we are trying the Seda, Manila Bay. Perfect! Okay, so let's start the room tour, guys. So, coming from the door, actually, I did book two connecting rooms. So, request ko kasi may senior tayo. So, buti na lang napagbigyan kasi although very late na tayong dumating because of the busy schedule. So, let us start. Coming from here, we have a mirror. And then they do have ano siya? Ay, lower. This laundry bag, and then they have safe. And then they do provide slippers, syempre. And so, may timbangan. X tayo dyan. Charot. Alright, so we also have the cabinet, an open cabinet. And then, ayan, meron siyang wardrobe. I'm sorry, bathrobe. Wardrobe! Bathrobe! Okay. So, dahil yung nakuha nating room for PWD siya. So, kami, medyo maluwang siya. Ano siya for PWD person. Ayan. Medyo maluwang. Hindi tulad sa mga normal na may harang. So, kompleto naman siya. They do have shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. And then, handheld shower. Then, ito lang. Ang kanyang dagdag. Or sa mga may disability. And then, let's go here. Ayan. Right? So, they do have hand soap, body lotion, and as usual, the toiletries as well. Alright. Okay, let's go out. Tuturo ko rin sa inyo yung connecting room. Pero syempre, itatago ko muna yung mga kasama ko. Okay, so here, meron naman tayong water. Provided an water, kettle, then sugar, tea, as usual. Then we have ref here. Okay, so wala siya naman. Alright. Here we have a king-size bed. And sa kabila, dalawang bed. Ganyan, may mga lights. And check ko pa kung hindi ko maalala kung Android TV or Smart TV. Mamaya check natin. Lagay ko na ng description. And then, of course, they have menu for ordering room services. And then, yan. So, kalat na yung gamit. I'm so sorry. Ayan. Tapos may mirror dito, may table. Tapos yan. Tapos, we have the view of the golf course. Sana nakikita. Bukas pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Alright. Tapos, katabi natin ay Ayala, Manila Bay. So, yan. Very comfy ang bed. We have king-size bed here. Mga lights. Okay, so let's go to the other room. Okay, so pasok na tayo. Yeah. O, diba? Ating mga friendship. Sila may sofa dito. Ako wala. Yan. Tapos, dalawang bed. O, diba? Ang aking mga co-families. Tapos, same lang naman siya ng amenities. I'm sorry, ng mga nakaano sa room. So, yun, may ref. And, yun pa rin. Then, ito. And dito, yung regular na bathroom talaga. Ayan. May bidet. Right? So, yan. So, toiletries. Then, shower. Ito. Diba may harang siya? Ayan. Okay, tapos yun na may glass. Alright.
ganun, pwede rin.
Oo, pwede yan. Here's the pool. Kaya lang it's raining. Okay, nandito kami sa 4th floor. Ooh, hinahanap kasi namin yung bridge. There you go. Andun pala. Pero andito yung function rooms nila. Ito siya guys, yung access coming from the hotel. Ayan. Okay, here's our view. Good morning guys. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. And nagbibihis na kami because we are checking out na. And sadly, hindi makapag-extend kasi fully booked sila, 100%. So, ayun si Direk. Diba? Ninanam ang bawat sandali. Diba? Makalat na ang room. Diba? Ang gamit, nakakalat na. Dito na ako mag-closing. Alright. Okay guys, so there you have it, another staycation here in Seda, Manila Bay. And for sure, I will go back here kasi medyo nabiting kami kasi nga 6 na kami nakadating kagabi. Sobrang traffic talaga. November pa lang, rush hour na lahat ng area. Okay, so next time again, so I'll see you for our next staycation. Diba? Kailangan ko na mag-supply. Alright, goodbye now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Ciao!